Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today is a super special episode because we have with us...
Whoa, vegan!
And he's going to be helping me make a delicious South Indian style coconut pumpkin stew. So
let's get cooking! Sumi,
Yeah.
what's the first step?
Okay, the first step is to dice our pumpkins into bite-sized cubes. So you want to help me with that?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
So, here we go.
Yeah, so we want to peel it. So what I'm going to do is do a small... Oh my god, I really need strength training. So just get rid of the edges.
Okay.
And then just do... It can just be rough. It doesn't really matter.
Okay, so just
that's it.
any chunks of that in little
cubes?
cubes?
Maybe that. That's what we're looking for.
Okay,
So,
alright.
yeah, so bite-sized cubes. And that's basically what we want to do with the pumpkin.
Cool, excellent.
Yeah.
So we're gonna chop it up like this. How's that?
That's perfect. That's literally it. And if the pieces are not consistent, it really doesn't matter. Because if some of the pieces break down into the gravy or the broth, it's actually going to give it texture and more flavor. So it's totally fine.
So, where did you get this recipe from?
So this is my mom's recipe. It's a very easy recipe because a lot of South Indian stews have lentils, and cooking lentils obviously takes time. And it's kind of tedious, so I literally wanted a recipe that was similar but was easier without the lentils, so this is that version.
Okay.
So it's literally just coconut milk and fresh coconut and some spices. It's so easy, but it's...
Sometimes, some of those easiest restaurant recipes are the most tastiest too.
Yes, for sure. And this can be eaten with rice, quinoa, literally any grain, or just straight from the pot because it's just so good. It's so delicious.
Sounds really, really tasty.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it going with the pumpkin?
This pumpkin. Get here. There we go. Chop, 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 chop. Boom, 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 boom.
So as you saw, this was a quarter of a pumpkin. It should give you around 2.5 cups of pumpkin.
Okay. Could you also substitute it for...
Yeah, butternut squash.
Butternut squash.
You can do chayote.
Could you do it with potato? I'm just curious.
You could. You could add potato to this stew as well. Yeah, you could add yams even. Oh, I'm just gonna slit these two green chilies right in the middle and just throw it for some flavor. So get rid of this end. Just slit it. Whatever. Same thing. And slit it.
Right down the middle. Do you want the seeds?
Yeah, I want the seeds. Because pumpkin is super sweet, so it's good to have that kick. Yeah.
Okay.
So right here I have a pot on, I want to say, it's medium heat. So to this I'm going to add around 1/4 cup of water. So not too much. Yeah, that's sizzling already. So I want to bring that to a boil, which should take no time. And to this, that's boiling. So to this I'm going to add 2 slit green chilies. And I'm going to add curry leaves. These are kind of dry. It still has a lot of flavor. It's fine, but you have fresh. You should use fresh curry leaves. So to this, I'm adding around, I want to say this is 20 to 30 curry leaves because that's what's gonna flavor this dish. Yeah, and we just want to mix this and let this simmer so all the flavors infuse into that water. Yeah, can you smell that?
Yeah, I can smell the chilies already.
And it's intense. Yeah, so you just want to let that simmer in there for 2 to 3 minutes so the flavors just infuse into the water. Yeah, I'm obsessed with curry leaves.
Yeah, no, it smells really, really good.
Yeah, have you used curry leaves before?
No, not really.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean
today.
Yeah, you can get it at any Indian grocery store. You can add it to even your scrambled tofu because it just adds such a delicious earthy flavor. Yeah, I'm excited for you to try.
Yeah. I can already smell it. It smells really, really fragrant.
Yeah, it is.
Just from water and chili.
I'm getting a nice curry
leaves.
Steam bath here.
So sorry, how long do we boil this for?
So just 2 minutes. So you can see it's the water is turning into a light green. So that's when you know all the flavors and everything is infusing into it. So at this point, it's been 2 minutes. This looks good. So we're just gonna add all of our pumpkin to this.
Okay,
so you
Pumpkin goes in the pot.
All of it, yeah.
Here we go. Pumpkin in the pot. Really?
Oh, I'm loving this so much. It's so nice to just like stand. Work for you.
Exactly. Get comfortable.
I know.
Whoop. And there we go.
Yeah, so we have all our pumpkin in here. Just give everything a nice mix. Heat still on medium. So once this is mixed up, I'm just gonna like bring the heat to low and then cover the pot and then just like cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes or till like a fork goes through the pumpkin without any resistance. So I'm just gonna lower the heat. Yeah, low. And yeah, cover the pot with a lid. And that's just gonna do its thing for 10 minutes. So it's been like 12 to 15 minutes, and as you can see, I've like turned down the heat or like switched off the heat, and you can see the pumpkin's like completely broken down, but some of the pieces still have their shape, and that's sort of what we want. Once again, it's totally fine if like some of the pieces have like completely gone to mush, because that's what makes the sauce. So yeah, so I've switched off the elements. So at this point, I'm gonna add some coconut milk, around a cup's worth. And you want to like make sure the heat is on low or switched off so the coconut milk doesn't split on you. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this. And as you can see, like the gravy will turn to like a light orange because of the broken down pumpkin, which is so nice. Yeah, so
nice color.
I
like
know,
the color.
I know, it's so pretty.
Sumi, what are we doing next?
So now we're gonna be making a tempering for our stew. So a tempering is when you cook your spices on high heat, and it's something that's super crucial to South Indian cooking or just Indian cooking in general. It's what adds that delicious flavor to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my pan to get hot. So I've set it on high. Once it's hot, I'm just gonna add my sunflower oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice. Coconut oil will work, but the reason I don't use it is because it like solidifies on the stew, so I don't like how it looks. But if you don't care, you can use coconut oil as well.
And if you like that flavor too.
Yeah, exactly. Coconut on coconut. So now I'm just gonna add my sunflower oil. I'm gonna add around a tablespoon's worth. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so to this, I'm gonna add some mustard seeds. Do you want to start with the mustard seeds?
Sure.
Yeah, just add around 8 teaspoons worth.
A teaspoon.
Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you when to stop.
Say when.
That should be good. Yeah, and you can see it's like hot, so it's sizzling instantly. It's gonna start spluttering. That's when you know the seeds are like releasing their flavor, and you have to wait till it starts to do that. Like you can hear it when it does.
Can you also smell it too?
Yeah, for sure.
Mustard seed.
Yes.
Okay.
Black mustard seeds. So see, they're like jumping at you.
Right.
So you want to be a little careful, and maybe even
It's like popcorn.
the heat a little bit.
Oh yeah, you can smell it now.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. To this, I'm gonna add a dried Kashmiri red chili. Break it in half, throw it in there, and toast it. So it should get toasty like pretty quickly. I'm gonna also add some white lentils or urad dal.
So how much are we adding here?
Yeah, a tablespoon's worth. I'll tell you when to stop again. Come on. That's good. Yeah. And we're just gonna cook this till it turns golden brown in color. Even like reddish almost.
Guys, the smells! Whoa!
Okay. So we're just gonna wait for this to turn golden. Since I turned the heat to low, it's gonna take a bit. I'm just like scared to like burn this, so I'm just being a little careful. You can see the colors are changing already, so we want to get it to a golden brown, at which point we'll like reduce the heat even more to low, add our coconut.
How's this looking? Ooh. Oh, the coconut.
Yeah.
The smells.
Yay.
You want to smell it?
Sure, we're still rolling this.
Get on in here, guys. Yo, come on in, team.
Smell it.
That's right.
Ooh,
That's right.
yeah.
Oh,
I'm excited to eat this.
Yeah.
Yes. Mmm.
Hi, babes. The future is green.
Yeah, once again, just be like really careful because all these things will come at your face, so just like maintain a safe distance.
That's true.
But if you don't care, like my grandma or your mom, you can stick your face in.
Be careful! Be careful, people. Be careful.
Okay, so you can see the color changing. So it's like reddish, goldeny. So to this, let's just reduce the heat to low and add our coconut. Yeah.
So how much coconut are we adding here?
Let's add around like 3 tablespoons.
So, okay, so
You can add like half of that cup.
Half of it?
Yeah. And this is frozen coconut that I thawed. But if you have access to fresh coconut, obviously go for that. And you want to make sure the heat is on low so you don't burn your coconut. And you want to be really patient at with this process. Just keep mixing till the colors change to a nice brownish red almost.
That looks really good.
Yeah, so I mean, this is the part where you actually have to do a little bit of work, but it's worth it. You just have to be patient. It's, you know, it's gonna just transform the dish completely.
Whose recipe was this again? This is your grandma's
I
recipe?
mean, I think it's my grandma's. I mean, I got it from my mom, but I'm pretty sure it's my grandma's recipe. It's like a lazy man's South Indian stew.
But whatever, if it tastes amazing, that's
Exactly,
all that
yeah.
matters. And so far, like everything is just smelling and looking fantastic.
And also, what I love about this is like all the ingredients are so easy on the wallet.
Right, right.
It's really cheap, so you don't always have to splurge on your spirulinas and things to go vegan.
Because we all know how much vegan food can cost,
Yeah.
right, people? Anything that can go easy on the wallet. Excellent. Are there any like alternatives that you could also like change?
You could honestly just skip the fresh coconut step
Right.
if you don't have access to this and just do the whole spices, and
Right.
it should still taste as delicious. But it just adds like that extra layer of like texture and depth and flavor. And, yeah, and once again, this is such a versatile recipe. Like you
I
don't
love
have
it.
to use
I love it.
pumpkin.
Right.
You can use whatever is in season, like a root vegetable. You can literally just add
Anything.
carrots and potatoes.
Carrots, potatoes.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it. The versatility.
Yeah, like I mentioned, you can eat this stew with any grain of your choice. I like pairing it with just like a delicious basmati rice because it's so fragrant and simple and light. You can do quinoa, you can do millets, you can do buckwheat, anything. It's super hearty, and yeah, so filling.
Could you do this like as say like maybe possible meal prep for the week? Like how long do you think this could last?
This could last a couple of days because it has coconut milk. I wouldn't say it'll last for like that long. So maybe like 2 to 3 days max.
Okay.
But yeah, it's still good. I mean, it also like if you skip this coconut step, you saw like it takes like 15 minutes to put together. So you could just like skip this step to save on some time, and even like make it the day of fresh because it's not really gonna take any time away from you. It's like 15 minutes.
Right.
Like, you know, put on your favorite like Netflix show or whatever.
Yeah. Or your favorite cooking channel.
Yeah.
Look at that. I've been practicing this for years, guys. Master stir.
You can see the color like changing slightly. Like it's
Getting
a little
brown.
browner.
Yes, golden brown.
At this point, it'll just like go quickly. So this is when we have to like be careful and just keep stirring.
Keep stirring to
Yeah.
not burn it.
Yeah. I know, can you see that?
Yeah, look at the colors.
Yeah.
It's getting a nice golden brown color right now.
Now at like 30 seconds to a minute, we should be good.
And the
Like,
smell.
yeah, just like a couple more seconds. I think that's a nice like brownish red color. Yeah, that's good. I think we're good. We can just
good?
switch up our element and like salt this first, mix it, and just like pour this on top, and we're good. Cool. So what do I do? This is fancy.
Yep, just press the button.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay, so this is amazing. I'm good. Okay, salting done.
Salt to taste.
Salt to taste. Mix this.
Got my oven mitts on. Is that good? Let's get it all out there. Okay.
Nice. We can just save that for scrape it and put it as the
Garnish.
yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna mix this. Yeah, and we're pretty much done. Yeah.
It looks amazing.
Do you wanna try it?
Mmm. Mmm. Got some of that crunch
Yeah.
from the coconut and I guess mustard seed.
Yeah, and the lentils.
Mmm. It's coconutty.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah, it just added more salt. I don't know if that was enough salt for you, but
Yep.
yeah.
No, that's actually pretty good.
We have some like potato chips on the side because South Indians love having something crispy like a papad, like papadums. We also have something traditional called badams. So instead, we're just using some plain, lightly salted potato chips. Yeah, so let's dig in.
Here we go. First, gotta take it in, you know? Take it in.
Oh, that's so good.
Mmm. I love the texture of the pumpkin
Yeah.
too. It's so soft. Mmm. And
I
sweet.
love the mustard seeds.
Clink. Mmm. And there you have it. A super simple and delicious.
South Indian style coconut pumpkin stew.
Mmm.
So if you love this, please like and subscribe. I come out with new Indian dishes every Sunday. And don't forget to check out Wo Vegan's channel. The link is down below.
Best part of the day. It's like gentle but also very spiced. Like it's
Yeah.
subtle, like super comforting, but also has like a beautiful flavor to it. Sorry, I'm touching your
No
finger.
worries.
Ooh, can I have that?
Take it.